Some piece of maintenance of way equipment. So off to the right there is a local train that backed into a customer here, and first they backed in with 3 tank cars and they fussed and back and forth and back and forth. And then they pulled them out and hooked the 2 refrigerator cars on. Another plane headed into Tampa International Airport. Slightly different angle and a little bit closer. I'm over here on 20th Ave. This is quite the place. Recycling 2 truck scales in and out. The train tracks cross here. And somebody obviously nailed that crossing sign, because there it lays on the ground all bent up. Found that rather interesting. I'm here waiting for a train that is down the way there. And they've crossed the road and pushed in a bunch of empty hoppers. Hey rail fans, it's Bruce and I'm at the Lakeland Connection in Lakeland, Florida, and we have CSX 2018, which is a local unit, EMD, leading a local freight train. This one I see has a caboose that's used as a shoving platform, they call it now.